Hello, I'm Rex with OEM Products. Got the Storm SS battery powered floor scraper machine. I'm going to show you how to take a tire off. Even if you're on the job site, you don't need a jack. We're going to make sure that the front of the machine is lifted off the ground as high as possible. We're going to slide some boards underneath the frame. And now I'm going to step on the machine and lower the front end down. That should lift the tire off the ground. Okay, so we got the tire off the ground. We're ready to take it loose. Okay, so we're going to come over here with the 3/4 inch socket. Pull the wheel off. Then we're going to inspect around the wheel hub. If for some reason we wanted to remove the wheel hub, we would use a 2 or 1.5 inch socket. I'll pull this retaining nut off. And we're going to use this hub remover plate. We're going to install it back on here and it'll pull that wheel hub off of the axle shaft. And now we can get to this area to maybe clean some more debris off of the axle seal. And then we're ready to put it back on. Okay, so we're going to reinstall the wheel hub. We need to make sure we've got an oil-free surface, both the hub and the shaft. So we're going to wipe that off. We're actually using brake cleaner, which real well. Carburetor cleaner works also. We're going to install the wheel hub, and we're going to put the nut back on, the retaining nut. We're going to torque that to about 250 pounds. And now we're going to put the tire back on and go back to work. All right, so we're going to lift this up, get it on the pilot.